Flexing with this baggage, chase this money, gotta have it. Don't be think I'll be tricking you, silly rabbit. You the baddest who moving ratchet, you classy but talking nasty. Let's see if I still can work my magic.
Hey, turn me up.
I'm a savage, when I hop up in traffic, I'ma catch a nigga lacking, it's gon' be tragic. I'ma flip a nigga wig, head turn it doing backflips, this is a disaster. Fuck another nigga bitch, treat her like a slave, whipping the bitch, call me master. Swerving on the streets, smoking and sipping and leaning and moving a little faster. Who gon' ride with me? Who gon' slide with me? I need a bad bitch. Who gon' talk with me? Who gon' shot with me? I need them classy, got that Glock on me. Who gon' box with me? I'm about that action, count that money backwards, my heart in the casket. Raised in the county, born in the city. Watch what you say, cause my nigga, I'm not that friendly. Came off my feet from a bike to an engine. Plus you know I'm trending, with this clout I got your attention. Lot of niggas then switched on a nigga, went out straight bad. Lot of niggas said he got money, but they not showing that bag. Met a bitch named Amanda, please you not all that. Baby mama pissed, I got a new bitch, I know she mad. Grinding hard for my daughters, accept the prayer for my mama. Middle finger to them problems, Millie rock with them dollars. A lot of niggas just rapping, I'm a hitman, no holler. A lot of niggas just capping, take the lid off his bottle. I ride Lil Donnie trenches, mama putting the food in the kitchen. I'ma call a nigga out, I'ma add him a mention. Nigga a joke, wonder why he ain't get it. Got this thick bitch, yeah, she tipsy. Shake that ass and bounce them titties. And you know I like to get it when this Henny get a baby. I'm drunk as hell in this party, pop the first one like I took a molly. Taking nigga bitches kinda feeling like a hobby. Suck it real sloppy. Rubber bands, this ain't no wallet. Yeah, bitch, I'm feeling so cocky. Can you guess what's in my pocket? Shooting missiles off this rocket. I gotta keep blasting the niggas. No questions asked, woman ask these niggas. First place already past these niggas. Smoke 'em like a blunt, I'ma ash these niggas. Give me a chance, I'ma smash these niggas. Chopper gon' show your fast these niggas. Got some young boys with them shells, but do they make me master splinter? From the sewer and the trenches. Got some Glocks, they hold extensions. And you know I'm about my business. Did he do it? No, he didn't. Niggas capping what they living. Pull up on them, now they kidding. Now it's bullets in their kidneys. Make them scream like White Girl Sydney. Now I'm spazzing, thinking about what happened. Breaking all static, I bet not catch you lacking. OG Slug, I'm a savage.